So have you ever looked at these chocolate coins and thought, yeah, I wish they were bigger? Perhaps it's just me, but when you've got a workshop full of moulds, you can. So I've got some medallion moulds. I've just picked out a selection, some square ones, round ones, oval ones. And I thought what I'd do is I'd melt some chocolate, pour that in. You're probably best having confectioners moulds rather than, yeah, my moulds. But I'm going to eat them. Sorry, I mean put it on the tree, so that's fine. Right, let's get on with that. Right, so I'm heating up some water. Got a glass bowl, bar of chocolate. So I'm just going to break this up and melt it. Chocolate nice and melted. Gosh, I wish you could smell this. That went surprisingly well. Quite pleased with that. I thought I was going to be using the oval or the round one, and I do quite like them, but this square one has come out really crisp and really nice. Nothing to do with it being the biggest one at all. So I'm going to put some gilding on here, but first I did forget about having to hang this. So I'm going to find a way of putting some ribbon on the back with maybe some more melted chocolate. Little bit messy on the back, but it has stuck, so that's good. So I've got some confectioners glaze, and what I'm going to do is just put a layer of this on everywhere where I want the gold. I'm treating this first layer sort of like button polishing for oil gilding. The chocolate will be slightly porous, so I'm just going to use this as like a seal. Right, that's dry, so I'm going to come in with a second layer of this glaze. Right, for edible gold you need pure gold, so you want 24 carat. And that's because when you start to drop down the carat, other metals are added, and they might not necessarily be edible like the gold is, pure gold is.